Hello and welcome back to the podcast. Today I'm trying something new and different. This is just me coming at you with some information as opposed to an interview style, which I normally do. And one of the things that I get a lot of questions about, and we tend to spend a lot of time talking to clients about once their loan closes, is about the loan servicing and the transfer of the loan servicing after the loan closes. So today I want to talk to you all about that process and what that looks like and feels like for you as the borrower. Okay, so first and foremost, when we close a reverse mortgage, we close that loan under our name. OneTrust Home Loans, the family companies with Calcon Mortgage. We're actually making that loan, we're funding that loan, and we're doing everything in-house is what we call that, from processing to underwriting to doc drawing and funding and everything. So we are the lender. At the end of the day, we are the lender. But here's where things change. Once your loan closes, we transfer what's called the loan servicing to a servicing company, okay? And that loan servicing company can actually be one of about a half a dozen reverse mortgage servicing companies. We tend to work with about 4 of them, okay? The big ones that you may hear of are Longbridge Financial, Finance of America Reverse, PHH, AAG. Those tend to be the ones that we work with on a day-to-day basis. Now, what's interesting to me is that most of the reverse mortgage loan servicers actually use the same exact website called reversedepartment.com. It is reversedepartment.com. Again, almost every single reverse mortgage servicer we work with utilizes that platform. There's only one loan servicer that we work with that doesn't, and that's PHH. PHH uses a different platform called myreverseaccount.com. That's their website. PHH uses myreverseaccount.com. And I will start by saying that most things I'm going to tell you today are not possible on myreverseaccount.com. PHH is a good company. We do a lot of business with them, but they simply don't have all the tools and all the resources available yet on their website. They're coming along, they're working on it, but they're not quite there yet. So if you have PHH, please know that this may not apply to you. However, if you don't, then you can go to reversedepartment.com and you can create your account there. Okay, so how do you create an account? First of all, you need to have your account number and you need to know your loan balance. So let's back up a second. Once we close your reverse mortgage, okay, again, we close it, we're going to transfer that loan servicing to the loan servicer. That process generally takes 30 to 45 days, okay? Again, 30 to 45 days from the time we close on your reverse mortgage to the time that your loan will be set up with the new loan servicer. So it may take you a month or 6 weeks before you receive your first statement from the loan servicer. You will also receive a statement or what we call a goodbye letter from Calcon Mortgage, which is our parent company of OneTrust Home Loans. It's a goodbye letter. Again, this is us saying, thank you for the opportunity to serve you. We're now transferring your loan to ABC Mortgage Company. And in that letter, it's going to spell out which mortgage company that your loan is going to be transferred to, the loan servicing. Okay? And then you should be on the lookout for a statement or correspondence as what we call a welcome letter from that new loan servicer. Again, that new loan servicer will send you a letter welcoming you with your account number and details. So once you receive that from the loan servicer, you can go online to reversedepartment.com and create an account. Why is this so important? Because you can do just about anything that you want to do or need to do on reversedepartment.com. Once you again create an account, you can do a number of transactions. So let's talk about them, because the three most common requests that we get from clients once your loan closes is number one, how do I request funds from my reverse mortgage line of credit? Well, that is absolutely doable on reversedepartment.com. You can request funds from your reverse mortgage line of credit. Okay, now the loan servicer, to be clear, has up to 5 business days from the time they receive your request for funds to issue you those funds. We are seeing right now that's actually taking closer to 3 business days, but they have legally up to 5 business days. That's the number one request we receive from past clients. Number two, most people choose not to make monthly payments. I say that again. Most people with a reverse mortgage choose not to make monthly payments. However, you can absolutely make payments when you have a reverse mortgage, and you can do that through the website, reversedepartment.com. Okay. So that's another thing that you can do, which is a newly added feature, by the way. They didn't used to have that feature, but now they do. All right, getting statements. Let's say you threw a statement away or you don't remember receiving a statement. You can go online and you can download your latest statement. You can also get a payoff quote. If for whatever reason you've decided to move and you need to sell your home and pay off your reverse mortgage, no problem. You can do that anytime, and you can actually get a quote for paying off your reverse mortgage. You can also view a transaction history. If you want to see for the last 6 months or 12 months or 24 months what your reverse mortgage has done, you can do that. Lastly, and probably the most important thing that we talk to clients about, is the annual occupancy certification. This is a big one. This is required every single year on the anniversary that you close your reverse mortgage. You need to provide an annual occupancy certification or affidavit. Okay. This form is a very simple form. You can upload it to the website. You can fax it. You can mail it. Again, you can get it to the loan servicer a number of different ways, but on the website, reversedepartment.com, you can actually complete the annual occupancy certification, which is so cool and so convenient because you can do that from virtually anywhere. So once again, hopefully this answers a lot of your questions around the loan closing, or excuse me, the loan servicing and the transfer of the loan servicing post-loan closing. Thank you for listening. If you have questions, if we can help you in any way, give us a call always at 720-600-4870. And thank you again, and hope that you make it a fantastic day.